Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this Goan red beef curry. This recipe is made with dry red chilies and all the other spices which gives this curry best flavor. It is a popular recipe in Goa and I'm going to show you how to prepare it step by step. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 600 grams beef, cut in small dices, something like this. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon Goan vinegar, 1 stock cube. Mix and marinate this for about 1 hour. Then in a mixer jar, add 5 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 14 cloves, 12 black peppercorns, 2 inch cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 12 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 3 tablespoon Goan vinegar, 3 tablespoon water, and blend this to a paste. Then add 1 tablespoon sugar and blend this until nice and smooth. Masala is ready now. It must look something like this. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 2 onions chopped and fry this until it is soft. Then add 1 tomato chop and fry this until tomatoes are soft. Then add the marinated beef. Add 2 potatoes cut in medium size. Add 1/3 cup water and then give this a mix. Then cover it and cook until the potatoes are soft. Then add the red masala and add 1 cup water. Give this a mix. Add some salt to taste. Then cover and cook until the meat is soft. Then add handful of chopped coriander leaves and give this a mix. So the Goan red beef curry is ready now. I hope you like this recipe guys. And if you like this recipe then please hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed please do subscribe for more amazing recipes. I hope you will try this recipe at home, and if you tried it then please do let me know in the comments. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.